In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a graph using Google Sheets. This is a handy skill whether you're working on a school project, preparing a business report, or just wanting to visualize some data. Let's get started by opening up Google Sheets. If you've never used it before, Google Sheets is a free, web-based application that allows you to create, edit, and share spreadsheets online. It's similar to Microsoft Excel, but all you need is a Google account and an internet connection to use it. Once you have Google Sheets open, the first thing you'll want to do is either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Enter your data into the spreadsheet. Typically, you'll want your data organized in columns. For example, if you're looking at sales numbers, you might have one column for the months of the year and another for sales figures. After your data is in place, highlight the section of the spreadsheet that contains it. This is an important step because it tells Google Sheets precisely which data you want to include in your graph. Now, head over to the top menu and look for the Insert option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Chart. This will prompt Google Sheets to automatically generate a chart using your highlighted data. Google Sheets will usually create a bar graph by default, but don't worry if that's not what you had in mind. On the right-hand side of your screen, you should see the Chart Editor panel pop open. Here you can customize your chart. Click on the Chart Type drop-down, and you'll be presented with various options such as line graphs, pie charts, and more. Choose the type that best fits your data. Once you've selected a chart type, you may notice that your graph still needs a bit of tweaking to look its best. The Chart Editor allows you to fine-tune details. For example, you can edit the titles for your axes to make your data's narrative clearer, or you might want to change the colors of your data series to make them stand out more. Simply click around on the different options and experiment until you're satisfied with the appearance of your graph. After you've finished customizing, your work is nearly complete. If you plan to share your graph, Google Sheets makes it easy. You can download the chart as an image file, or if preferred, leave it within the Google ecosystem by sharing the entire sheet with colleagues or friends using the Share button in the upper right corner. And that's it. You're now ready to start creating graphs using Google Sheets like a pro. With a bit of practice, you'll find that visualizing data can be both easy and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy graphing.